I mean, he just lost to Shawn Porter. You lose to Shawn Porter, then you fight for a world title right after that.
Yep.
For a vacant title. You and your opponent both coming off loss. Instead of saying, fuck the money team, you need to be saying, you need to be thanking the money team, because at the end of the day, Al Heyman is a part of the money team. You need to be thanking the money team. Everything is under the same umbrella when it's all said and done. You know?
Mm-hmm.
If you say fuck Al Heyman, you say fuck Floyd Mayweather. If you say fuck Floyd Mayweather, you say fuck Al Heyman. That being said, me as a fighter, if I lost a fight, there's no way in hell that my next fight, I will be fighting for a title against another guy that's coming off a loss. I wouldn't be proud or consider myself a champion. But what makes that worse is it took the guy to your hometown to fight. After you got beat on an even playing field and complained and bitched about being beat on an even playing field. I mean, you on there taking shots. You on there taking shots at Bruce Jenner. When it's all said and done, let Bruce Jenner live his life the way he want to live his life. Bruce Jenner don't even know who Adrien Broner is.
Wow.
But Adrien Broner doesn't know who Bruce Jenner is.
Wow. Very true.
And you don't ever know. You gotta watch what you say, because you don't ever know who you may need in life.
Mm-hmm.
Or who you may bump into in life.
That's true. That's very, very, very sound advice.
I mean, you have to realize that. You know, things. I mean, I feel like Adrien Broner still has a lot of growing up to do. He has a lot of growing up to do.